What's up, Internet? This is Encanti here, and today I'm going to show you about my new favorite delay line that I've been using for a couple months. This is called Objeq Delay by Applied Acoustic Systems, which is a company that makes some of the most amazing physical modeling things that you can get. Here it is. It is a VST that you can slap onto any audio channel, and it has a resonator in it called Objeq. This is going to run your input through four kinds of different physical models. And basically, a physical model is kind of like a really intelligent resonant delay line that colors your signal in a way that makes it sound physical. Really cool. After that, it goes through a more traditional delay line. This is a really neat way to turn your sounds into having more of an organic characteristic. Right now I've got it onto just some percussions I made, which I really like. These are cool timbres. I just made them with a sampler. And what we're going to try to do with Objeq Delay is make it a little more tonal and organic sounding. So I'm going to turn this on, and this is the init preset. It sounds like this. And what we're going to do is just normal it. So I'm going to turn off the delay, actually. We're going to normal the filter and turn off the LFO for now. So now all that you hear is the object. So let's turn up this decay and get a good listen for this. So as you can see, you only have 4 different knobs here. The formant I like to think of this as kind of like, what is the dominant set of frequencies that you're hearing, almost akin to where you slap the drum head if you were playing a conga or something. Then you got decay, that's pretty self-explanatory. And material, this is a real fun one, because what this does changes depending on which object you have selected. And in general, up is more bright and low is less harmonics. And then of course the most important one is frequency. You can see if you open this up in Ableton, all this stuff is right here. What I'm going to start by doing is putting in the mix and just trying to figure out what the key is. I'm going to do that by ear because I like to find it, you know? Yeah, that's a good sound to me right here. All right, so let's check out some different objects. All right, I like the beam right now, so this is fun, but to make it sound a little more real, we're going to put an LFO on it, and you have all the destinations down here. Let's go through some of them and play with it. I'm going to put polarity in the middle. I'm going to turn the amount. Yeah, amount's pretty good up, and then I'll put formant in the middle. Let's see how it sounds by shifting the formant up and down in the shape of a triangle every half bar. All right, not all that noticeable. Let's try decay. Yeah, I love decay because it sounds like a drummer. And then material. Let's try that one. Yes. Oh, I like material a lot because you can control the decay, but it still sounds like you're moving around the position of the object that you're playing with. Let's bring up that low cut a little bit. Cool, and now let's turn on the delay. And let's put this guy at like something that complements the rhythm. That's nice. And you can hear it spatialized because we got ping pong. And let's put her in the mix. just a reminder, this is what it sounded like before. Really clicky, not that tonal. Now it sounds really nicely tonal. I hope you try this out. You can do this on more than just rhythm. I recommend trying to put it on a bass line. I will probably post another video of me putting on a lead line soon. I really love Object Delay. If I was to give one criticism about it, is that I would love to control this frequency knob with a MIDI keyboard. So let's cross our fingers for that feature in the future. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and anyone that's going to NAMM right now, definitely swing by the Applied Acoustic Systems booth, because these guys are on another level with physical modeling and other really cool toys. I hope you have a great day.